Hey everyone, it's time for my late August unboxing. I get one of these twice a month from mycomicshop.com. They contain my pre-orders that I get 35% off, and it also contains books that I order in between that I sometimes get a good deal on. And if I do, I'll share that price in the description. So this order was a wee bit bigger than I wanted it to be. I've been trying to reduce stuff that I order online, but I did get some good deals, and I also got a Not Brand Egg #1 for a really good price. I pick those up whenever I can. So thanks for stopping by. Be sure to hit the like button on your way out and subscribe if you have not already. So until next time, I'll see you guys New Comic Book Day. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up.